Every secret instruction for GPT 5.5 and Claude Fable 5 just leaked online in one massive GitHub repository. Hi, I'm Jason, and I'll be your host today. It's July 4, 2026, and while everyone's out watching fireworks, the open source community is setting off some massive explosions of its own. We've got everything from AI agents that live in your web pages to a value investing framework that's actually beating the market. It's a huge day for repos. Let's jump right in. First up is Page Agent from the team at Alibaba. This is a JavaScript in-page GUI agent that lets you control web interfaces using natural language. No browser extension required. I'm honestly impressed by how lightweight this is. It's gained over 1,000 stars just today. It integrates directly into your site, allowing users to just tell the site what they want to do. Why does this matter? Because it bridges the gap between complex UI and accessibility. Imagine a user just saying, "check out with my saved card," and the agent handles the rest. It uses TypeScript and supports the Model Context Protocol. With over 22,000 stars total, this is clearly becoming the gold standard for in-browser automation. It is incredibly slick. Next, we have meetily. This is a privacy-first AI meeting assistant built on Rust. It handles live transcription and speaker diarization 4 times faster than standard Whisper implementations. It is very snappy. The wild part? It's 100% local, no cloud required. It uses Ollama for summarization, so your sensitive meeting data never leaves your machine. This is a win for corporate privacy. It's grabbing about 600 stars a day right now. If you're tired of cloud-based AI note-takers recording everything you say, this self-hosted alternative for macOS and Windows is the answer. The Rust backend makes it incredibly efficient. I've been looking for something like this because corporate security teams are finally cracking down on external AI bots joining Zoom calls. Check it out. Okay, this one is spicy. System Prompts Leaks is a repo documenting the hidden instructions for basically every major AI chatbot. We're talking Claude Fable 5, GPT 5.5, Thinking, and even Gemini 3.5. It's sitting at nearly 50,000 stars. You can literally read the secret rules Anthropic and OpenAI use to keep their models in check. It even has the prompts for GitHub Copilot for macOS. Why should you care? Because understanding these prompts is the ultimate masterclass in prompt engineering. You can see how the pros handle tool usage and multi-step reasoning. It's actually fascinating stuff. They track the differences between model versions. Seeing the jump from Claude Opus 4.8 to Fable 5 is a revelation. It reveals so much about their safety guardrails and persona weights. Don't miss this. Moving to something for the gamers. Romm is a beautiful self-hosted ROM manager and player. It's written in Python, and it's honestly the best looking library manager I've ever seen for retro games. It scans your library and pulls metadata from IGDB and SteamGridDB. It even supports emulator.js, so you can play your games directly in the browser. It's the Plex for retro games. What's the catch? There isn't one. It's just solid open source software. It handles multi-disc games and DLCs flawlessly. If you have a NAS full of ROMs, you need to install this tonight. With nearly 10,000 stars, the community is clearly loving the clean UI and responsive interface. It supports over 400 platforms. It's a must-have for anyone obsessed with preservation and organization. Folia is a music player focused on gorgeous lyric animations. It's a Navidrome client and supports NetEase music as well. If you love that immersive, full-screen lyric aesthetic, this is for you. It uses AI to generate color themes based on the album art. The animations are liquid smooth. It's a PWA built with React and TypeScript, and it's been trending hard in the music tech scene. The project is gaining traction because it makes the listening experience feel active. It's not just a file player. It's a visualizer that actually feels modern. I'm really digging the versatile deployment option. It's a great example of how AI can enhance simple apps by automating design tasks like color matching. It's got about 900 stars and is definitely one to watch as it matures. Mattpocock just released his private agent skills. This isn't just vibe coding. These are the actual prompts and tools he uses in his Claude directory to do real engineering every single day. It blew up to 156,000 stars instantly. Why? Because Matt is a legend in the TypeScript world and people trust his workflow. These skills are composable and model agnostic. You can add them to your workspace with a single npx command. They help with everything from spec creation to code refactoring. It's like downloading a senior engineer's brain into your IDE. If you're using Claude Code or any AI agent for development, this is a goldmine. It's small, easy to adapt, and based on decades of real-world experience. Honestly, it's a game changer. ai-berkshire is wild. It's a value investing research framework for the AI era. It combines the methodologies of Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger with multi-agent adversarial analysis. It's actually insane. The repo claims a 69% return in 2024. That is massive. It uses Claude Code and Codex to perform deep fundamental analysis that most retail investors simply don't have time for. Does it work? The creator has shared real track records from brokerage accounts. Instead of getting a vague AI answer, this framework forces the model to give a hard pass or buy decision. It's trending with over 6,000 stars this week. It treats a single person with an AI agent like an entire research team. This is exactly where the future of fintech is heading. Finally, simplex-chat is gaining massive traction again. This is the first messaging network that operates without any user identifiers. No phone numbers, no emails, nothing. It is 100% private. It's built with Haskell and uses a double ratchet encryption system. With nearly 18,000 stars, it's becoming the default choice for people who feel even Signal isn't private enough anymore. Why use it? Because there is no metadata to leak. Since there are no user IDs, there is nothing for a centralized server to track or sell. It's pure peer-to-peer communication. The apps are available for iOS, Android, and desktop. They just completed a security audit too. If digital sovereignty is something you care about, Simplex is the gold standard right now. A huge thank you to the contributors of these amazing projects for keeping the open source spirit alive. Which one of these will you try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm Jason with Github Trending Jason, and I'll see you tomorrow.